What's the meaning of arousal? Arousal. Arousal.
Arousal. Arousal. Arousal refers to a state of increased physiological and psychological activation. In this state, the individual's heartbeat, breathing rate and blood pressure increase, and their attention and alertness are heightened. Arousal can be triggered by a variety of stimuli, both internal, thoughts, emotions, etc., and external, sights, sounds, smells, etc. The resulting effect of arousal can range from increased energy and motivation to anxiety and stress. Ultimately, arousal prepares the body and mind for action, allowing individuals to respond to their environment in an adaptive manner.